Alright guys, this is the Nature Hike Spyder 1/10. This is my little setup, my bug out bag for camping or whatever. It fits my bag, which is very big and heavy, so it'll fit inside the vestibule area. I have my slides, what would be my hiking boots or my whatever shoes I'm wearing at the moment, a little chair, my pad, my air pad, my air pillow, and I'm 6'2", and my feet touch a little bit. Where my head lays perfect, so it's a perfect height for me. It's a little tight, but it works. I have a little light here. Fell, but I have a little light here. All I do is hook it up here. As soon as I get it up here, hook it up here, and then just click and it's on, click and it's off. You tighten it up sometimes, but yeah. I got the screen vent open. Here's me opening the zipper to open up the vestibule. And yep, getting out the tent. All right, just testing it out, seeing how it works, how it feels. This is Nature Hike Spyder 1 with the snow skirt, which in Florida, I don't know why I got the snow skirt, but I did. Probably wasn't the best choice, but you never know when it's heavy rain pour. Just keeps your stuff a little bit more dry. But anyways, this is the Nature Hike Spyder 1. Just a little review on it. Peace.